1680, renovation work at the Palace of Versailles was nearly completed. The king had never forgotten how inadequate he felt when 20 years before he had been received in gaudy splendor by his finance minister Fouquet. From then on, he had promised himself a more worthy dwelling.
A little more to the left. No, a bit more to the right. A little further. Too far. No, to the right. No, there. No, there. That's fine. There.
In 1661, Versailles had been nothing more than a hunting lodge, a favorite hideaway of Louis XIV. 6 years later, much work had already been done. And then Lavaux decided to enclose the original building.
It will be a marvel, Majesty, a true gem. The world will envy you.
The painter Lebrun took thorough charge of decorations.
Oh, no, that's mousy. It needs more color. Wait a minute. I prefer blue, a lot of blue, red. Oh, no.
Nanotte designed the gardens. And then Hardouin Mansart was called in to replace Lavaux.
Oh.
For the time being, the Sun King was still living in the Louvre, too close to his subjects, whom he didn't trust.